Do you also run Facebook ads to receive new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically for a real estate business. So here I'm a real estate business owner and I receive a lot of leads through my Facebook ads. So my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then instantly that lead detail should be added as a new row in my Google Sheets. So here to automate the entire process, I'm going to build a connection between my Facebook ads and my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see a connection that I have built between these applications using an automation software. And as you all know that my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, then instantly I want to add that detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So here before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works for my own business by simply generating a test lead inside my Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, we are going to use a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So basically this is my Facebook page that I have with the name Prime Properties. And here we're going to generate a test lead for our Facebook ad where I've selected my property type, a full name as dummy user, random phone number, random email address and the city. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And you can see instantly a new detail has been added in our Google Sheet where we have received all our lead details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're planning to buy the subscription of Pabbly Connect, then you can use my special code that I've attached over here to get some amazing discounts for your purchase. And here in the addition, I would recommend you to buy the lifetime deal that Pabbly is currently offering at a very cost-effective price, which is going to unlock all Pabbly's features for your business, that too for lifetime. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically for a real estate business. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we're now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged inside my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged into your account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Prime Properties. So we're going to select the same from the drop down. And for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite, we are going to select all tools option, and here under all tools, we are going to select instant forms. And now here under this lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name real estate lead form. You can create your own form as per your requirement. And here we're going to select the same form from the drop down. So this is our form. So here I've selected a single form because I want to capture the leads only for this form. But if you want to capture the leads for all the forms, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now here to selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive this response in a simple format, that means in an organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate another test lead using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So let me take you to lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and after that you need to refresh your window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page once again as Prime Properties. Then for the product, we are going to select lead retrieval and the form as real estate lead form. Alright, then we're going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is our lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the property type, I'm going to select it as apartment or flat. For the full name, I'm going to enter the name as demo user, and for the phone number, we're going to add a random phone number. Then here for the email, we're going to add the email address as demo@pabblytools.com. And here for the city, we are going to add the city as Ajmer. Alright, then we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all our lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then instantly I'm going to add the details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, we are going to add an action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my app event as add a new row. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name new Facebook leads. So I'm going to select the same over here. And for the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. Then here it is asking us to add the name, email and some other details. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the name, we are going to map the name. Here we're going to map the email address of a lead. Here we're going to map the phone number. Here we're going to map the type of property. And lastly, we're going to map the city. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see instantly a new detail has been added where we have received all our lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then instantly that lead detail will be added as a new row in our Google Sheets. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically for a real estate business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning to purchase Pabbly Connect, then make sure to use my discount code to get special discount only for you. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.